Good afternoon, parents and students. All right, this is a tutorial. My name is Miss Tutorial Lady. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you because this is going to help you on how to record in the Essential Elements Interactive Music Program. Otherwise, we call it EEI for short. And you can access this through the Band It's Learning page. All right, so I'm going to share my screen with you so I can walk you through step by step on how to record your assignments and then how to submit them. I am sharing my screen. So now you can see my screen here. I have already logged in. And as you can see, my name up here in the top is Miss Tutorial Lady. All right, when you are ready to record your assignments, you already know what your assignments are because your assignments will be listed on the Band It's Learning page. On the Band It's Learning page, you will see which assignments that I want you to complete, and then you click on the EEI program and you log in from there. The first thing you're going to do is click on this little icon. It looks like a microphone. When you click on the microphone is going to take you to the page where you will begin the recordings. As you can see, here is where it says band book, and all of your songs are in here. So you got song list, all the songs are in the band book. I'm going to make sure that this says band book 1. All right, so I am clicking on line number 1 because that is the line that you're going to practice. When you are, before you record any assignment, you should practice it over and over again until you can play it very well. Once you can play it well, then you will record it. So for right now, we are about to practice. I am going to select my accompaniment. I would like to hear a concert band. And I am going to turn the melody on. That way I will hear some background music while I'm practicing my notes. I'm going to press the play button. It will always give you a get ready moment, and then it's going to count you off. And play. And you play the first note. There's your rest. Again, and play. And you're playing. You can hear the band playing. You can also hear the clarinet playing in the background as well. Let's practice line number 2. I have the melody turned on so that you can hear the clarinet and what it sounds like. I am practicing by pressing play. This little setting up top lets you know, get ready. It's going to count you off. Ta, ta. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Once you've finished practicing and you sound beautiful, then it's time for you to record it. When you record, you can either hit this red button. That's going to give you an audio recording, or you may press this camera button. When the camera button comes up, it tells you below to click here while you're recording. Then it's going to get your camera ready so that it can. Right now, you can see that my hardware access is denied because I am already using my camera to create this tutorial video. But your camera button should be working. So we are not going to use this. And let's see, let's get out of my recording settings. I'm going back to number 2. So for this one, I'm going to use the audio record button, which is the red button. We're getting ready at the top. 2, ready, play. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 2, 3, play. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, 2, 3, stop. Ta-da, you did it. You just recorded your first assignment. If you see here at the bottom, you can actually play your recording back to listen to it. 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, 3, play. Rest, 2, 3, stop. Ta-da, you. So notice that you are allowed to listen to what you just recorded. If what you recorded is good, you can save it. If you made a mistake and you want to do it again, then don't save it, delete it, and then you can record it again. But once you have a recording that you like and it is good and you're ready for me to hear it, then you want to click save. And you'll see that it's saving. When a recording is saved, it is only being saved in the Essential Elements program. You must record every single line individually in order for it to be saved in the program. But once it is saved in the program, that doesn't mean that I can see what you record. In order for me to see what you record, you have to send it to me. The way you send it to me is you go back up here to the top. Here is the assignment tab. Click on the assignment tab. Under the assignment tab, you see 2 options. You see the recordings and the practice log. Right now, I am under recordings, and you can see what I have recorded. I have recorded line number 2. You can hear it. 2, ready, play. Okay, we already listened to it, so I'm not going to play with me singing your note. All right, after you hear it here, that's when you press the submit button. Press the submit button. This pop-up continues. It is linked to assignment count and play number 2. Click the continue button. If you want to leave me a message right here, you can leave me a message. Hi, Ms. Osborne. I practiced this. Practice this line for 30 minutes. You can write whatever you would like to tell me in the comment section and I will read your comments. Then you hit submit. Once you have done, you will see a green light up here that says your recording has been submitted successfully. Once you see that, then you know that I received your recording. If you are recording more than 1 line at a time, then you must submit every single line that you need me to hear. All right, that's the end of our tutorial session for today. Now you know how to record your videos in the Essential Elements program, and you know how to submit your assignments. Take care, practice, bye.